How to use composted manure. Composted manure, cow, chicken or sheep manure that has been left to decompose for several months can be used to improve the health of your garden dramatically. Using compost in your garden supplies nutrients your plants need to grow healthy and can also be used to protect them from the elements. Things you will need. Composted manure. Garden hoe or shovel. Cover your garden with a layer of compost a few weeks before you intend to plant your garden in the spring. Incorporate the soil into your compost using a shovel or hoe to mix it in. This adds nutrients to the soil for plants to feed on as they grow. To use composted manure as a mulch, place it around plants after they have sprouted. This will supply the plants with nutrients while protecting them from hot or cold temperatures. Use composted manure as a mulch to cover a plant after the ground has frozen to protect it during the winter. Mulch will need to be removed in the spring before the plant sprouts.